Have you ever think about if we could revolutionize the way we make steel and save our planet from tons of pollution? Hold on to your hats because the breakthrough at the University of Cambridge is about to change the game. Brace yourselves for a steelmaking innovation that's cooler than you ever imagined. So, steel, right? It's a big deal, used for buildings and stuff. But guess what? Making steel can be not so great for the environment because it releases a lot of carbon dioxide, like 8% of the pollution that warms up our planet. But guess what's super cool? Scientists at the University of Cambridge have come up with a way to make steel using 3D printing. It's like magic, but with metal. Instead of the usual way of making steel, which involves a lot of heat and beating with hammers, they use a tiny laser, like a microscopic hammer, to make the metal super strong. Now here's the exciting part. Even though it's not proven yet and might be a bit pricey to do on a big scale, these scientists believe it could make steel in a much better way for the Earth. Dr. Matteo Seta, the super smart leader of the research, thinks this new way could make 3D printing metal cheaper. Cheaper means good for the environment. He says they might even skip some steps, making it quicker and better for the planet. How awesome is that? The International Energy Agency, IEA, says we need to do something about steel because it's warming up the planet too much. They say we need new ways to make steel with almost no pollution. It's like a challenge, and our super smart scientists are up for it. Even though people are starting to use other cool materials like mushroom stuff and hemp for building things, steel is still a big deal. So, it's time to shake things up and make steel in a way that's good for the Earth. Incredible, right? The future of steel production is here, and it's game-changing. If you're as excited about transforming our world as I am, hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more mind-blowing updates. Let's be part of the change together. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next one.